Welcome back, traders. In this video, I'm going to show you two simple strategies that made me $2,000 in just 6 minutes. I'm going to be breaking it down so simple that even your grandma will know how to take these plays. Be sure to stick around. I'm actually giving away a free 50K combine account to one viewer in this video. So buckle up and get ready for some trading insights that could change the way you approach the market. Let's dive right in. So personally, I feel like the key to success when it comes to day trading futures is a combination of three things. One is market analysis, the other is risk management, and the last but not the least is decisive action. Taking action when you see an opportunity present itself. If you watch my previous video, you know I've already got funded with topstep 100K account. This account you're seeing here is literally a new account. This is with Apex. I took advantage of a promotion they had and got 3 50K accounts, so total is 150K, and I'm trading this combine as well. So far it's been going good. I'm probably going to do a more in-depth review video about them in the near future, but one of the reasons I want to share my screen is just so you can see the actual numbers. Took only 2 trades today, 1 contracts on both, and I made $668 on this account. I have 3 accounts before you before y'all come at me and say, oh, your video is a lie. I made $2,000 because I have 3 accounts. If you have a calculator on your iPhone, go ahead and type up $668.80 times 3 and tell me what number shows up. But yeah, I have 3 accounts, and you can see on all 3, you can literally see that they all have the same amount of numbers. So now that's taken care of, let's dive right into the video, show you exactly what I was looking at going into the position and when I exited. We're above the VWAP right now. There's no big orders on my level 2s anymore. So I'm gonna move my stop loss because I have a trailing stop on this position, especially with Apex. They have a trailing drawdown on your live account. So, sorry, a live trading drawdown. So I'm watching out for that. But this is only 1 contract. I know you see 3 contracts there. That's because I'm copy trading this into 3 positions. And okay, I'm coming up on my stop point right here. I see a 600 order right about here. So this is where I either expect another leg up or a pushback. So I'm gonna move my stop even tighter. So my stop might actually get hit right here. So let's see. I just want to make sure I lock in all these profits. I can't. There we go. Looks like I just got taken out. It's so dark. So dark. I need light. I'm such a vampire, man. We do this shit in the dark, dog. But yeah, what's going on, y'all? So just to recap that trade I just took, essentially the market just opened. It's 9:50 right now. We have a 10 o'clock news. So I wasn't really planning on holding that trade to 10. I tried to almost don't even trade before 10. But I just saw a nice setup that I had to take. And just let me run that setup for you. Let me explain what it is. So yesterday the market closed right about here, and if you look closely, these are 5-minute candles. That's about an hour worth of consolidation. And then once it closed, as you know, we had earnings report yesterday. Meta Facebook is the same company. Apple and Amazon, they all released their earnings. Meta had a ridiculous earning in a good way, so it was part of the reasons why this blew up. We had a crazy ramp in the aftermarket. SPY ended up going up and consolidating basically through the Asian and London session. It has a nice range. We're looking at almost 10-point range right here once the London session opened up. But coming up towards the New York session, we started having a massive sell-off, and I was looking for the sell-off to land right back into this demand zone, which it did. And once I saw that, I waited for it to consolidate. I wanted to see if it was going to break and make a new low. And also I'm looking at QQQ on this side of the chart as well. And QQQ was leading. So once I saw QQ break, I also looked at the Magnificent 7, looked at how Facebook was acting, and I saw that was also moving up. It made much sense for me to enter this trade as soon as it broke above the POC and found support on a pullback to the POC, which is what you see here. It opened above, came back down to the PLC. As soon as it touched it and came back and got bought up, I literally entered the trade, exited around I wanted to watch it go up to the VWAP because there's some orders, some really big orders sitting there, so it's gonna get attracted to it, and then I wanted to watch to see how it reacts. And as soon as I saw it go to the VWAP, I noticed on my order book there was a couple of huge sell wall orders. It just made so much sense because I'm already up 1,400. It makes so much sense for me to close the trade. There's only one contract I could. If I had multiple, I probably would have scaled down. You know, took a couple off, and then moved my stop loss to make sure I don't lose on the trade per se. But yeah, once I saw the weakness on the sell wall, I ended up closing out the trade and banking in $470 on this one specific account and 1,400 something in my total account. So yeah, let's get it. So I know you thought I forgot about the 50K eval account that I'm gonna give you for free, but no, I didn't. So let's get right into it. There's only two things you need to do. The first is subscribe and like this video like you always typically would have. And the second is post a comment below. And what I want to find out is what current prop firm or combine are you doing? You doing Topstep, Apex, the Funded Trader? It doesn't matter. Just tell me what you're doing. You can share how it's going. That would be great. You get bonus points for sharing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do. Okay, so that was a recording of the first trade that I took today. I netted about $1,430 on that position. The second trade, just to zoom into my chart here, was a straight up stop loss hunt trade. As you can see, let me zoom out a little bit. As you can see, SPY SP 500 opened and basically consolidated for a little while and proceeded to take off, and then consolidated again and kind of trapped some buyers. Trapped some sellers here. Supported on a VWAP. You could theoretically enter the trade right here, but my timing was a little lagged. I wanted to see it essentially break above this level because you can see this level in the pre-market as well. So I wanted to see it break through there and then take out these shorts, these sellers that are sitting right here. Okay, that was the game plan. So this is what I typically call a stop loss hunt. You're basically stop hunting other traders. So a lot of shorts and sellers that got in here, as well as the ones that sold there as well, a lot of them, their stop losses are literally all in this zone right here. So once I saw it break above, I knew that this had the potential to gap all the way to the peak of this candlestick. Look left, you see this candlestick? I saw the potential of it to gap there. I think this trade lasted me for less than 2 minutes. So it was so fast, I couldn't even get the opportunity to record it. But overall, looking at the day, there was an hypothesis that SPY could actually go all the way up here and crash back down. So holding this trade and dancing around here for literally 30 minutes was not a game plan. There were multiple ways you can make money on a trending market. I love trending day markets like this because you just wait for pullbacks and just buy into a new position. It's literally that simple. If you bought up here and it tanked that fast, hopefully you had a stop loss. If you did not have a stop loss, you could literally blow your account. 20 points, 10 points is $500, 20 is 1,000. If you have multiple contracts, you could literally blow your account. So the ways you can lose money even in an uptrending market, one of the ways to avoid it is always to play it safe and wait for a pullback and watch the pullback solidify a new buy zone where folks are buying it up, and then get in with that trend, and then it punches through and makes a new high. That's probably the easiest way to make money on a trendy day. Ideally, the best places to get in is when it's close to the VWAP. The closer it gets to the VWAP, the better. Or you can always look left. Like you can see why I consolidated right here, because that's the peak of the day. Sorry, that's from the pre-market. You can draw a straight line on that pre-market. You can even draw the line there where I exited earlier. So that's why I like this play right here. This was perfect. I just was not on my screen when it happened. As you know, this is my Apex Combine account. They are running a special right now, actually. I was able to take advantage of the 80% off special they had. So right now, the special they're running is 71% and also $35 resets. So if you blow your account, it's only 35 bucks to reset it.
Last week it was 80%, and they also had a 1-day eval, so you could pass it in 1 day. And the week prior, they had a 90% off. So the best times to get with Apex is when they're running this 70 to 90% off promotions, because they don't run these promotions all the time. But if you would like to take advantage of this, because as you see, it's only 4 days left, I have a link below on this video for you to take advantage of that. You can always comment any questions that you have regarding trading on this video as well. I'll be sure to get those answered. And just like that, another profitable trade is in the books. I just want you to know that trading futures is significantly risky, and you have to be disciplined in this game. Always have a solid trading plan, manage your risk effectively, and every day find new ways to educate yourself and get better in the market. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It truly helps my channel grow and reach more audiences like yourself. And also do it to catch more videos like this and learn more, get more useful tips on my trading strategies. Until next time, happy trading. Peace.